Have you ever wondered how Google and Facebook became the richest companies in the world? Well, let me tell you something. It's not from you sharing pictures of your food. It's not from you searching for funny cat videos. And it's definitely not from giving away free email accounts. Or is it? Google and Facebook are secretly making billions of dollars from the people who visit their websites without charging a dime. But how do they make money if they're not selling anything? Well, if you stick with me for a few minutes and watch this short video to the very end, I'm going to give you the secret. Plus, I'm going to show you how you can steal their billion-dollar business model and use it to make money just like they do. But first, let me explain how it works. You see, behind their websites, Google and Facebook, they are actually selling advertising to business owners. They're taking advantage of the millions of people who come to Google and Facebook and click the advertisements on their pages. When people click on an online advertisement and are taken to another website, they're actually selling traffic to the person who owns that other website. Google and Facebook have turned into billion-dollar companies by selling traffic to businesses. Traffic is the most valuable commodity on the internet, and that will never change. And selling it is the secret to creating long-term wealth in an online business. Now, of course, you and I aren't going to compete with Facebook or Google when it comes to selling traffic. However, you can build your own online traffic empire with our Traffic Authority done-for-you online business. Think about it. There are millions of people around the world who have their own online business, right? And every one of them have the same problem. Every one of them need a way to get high quality traffic to their websites. They need people coming through the front door of their businesses that turn into leads, and then leads turn into buyers who buy their products. That's how they make money. When you have an online business, more traffic equals more money. And most online business owners wake up every morning with a burning desire to get more traffic to their websites. They're constantly searching for new premium traffic methods and systems, as well as tools and training, so they can generate more leads and make more sales at a faster pace. So, what if you could provide them with the traffic tools and the training they are looking for? And what if you got paid anywhere from $20, $50, $100, all the way up to $1,000, $2,000, even $4,000 per sale, depending on what traffic products they need? Then, when they keep coming back for more traffic, you're going to get paid over and over again. Are you beginning to see how powerful this really is?